Hello, 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 good morning. So we're going to work and then we are going to go to the warehouse after work and we're going to buy a jersey because I'm going to be making my sister her very own Christmas jersey. You guys saw me do a Halloween one, or if you haven't, go check out that video. But we're going to be doing the same thing but Christmas this time for my sister. Of course, as soon as I arrive to work, it starts downpouring. Love that. Yay. Okay, work's done and boy do I have a headache and a half, but we're done. We're out of the friggin' furnace that is my work, and now we're gonna go to the warehouse and get the jersey and then go home. And I still have to edit yesterday's vlog. I'm an idiot. Yeah, okay, cool. So, in my tired state, I'm like, you know what, let me just go to the warehouse that's by my house, because it's by my house. I literally just drove past the warehouse in town, because it's on the one way that I take to go home. But I completely forgot about that, and I literally just drove past, and I kind of did that. And then only afterwards clicked, like, oh, I could have gone there. Bro, I actually hate myself today. So, I just got back from the warehouse. Well done. Let's actually put you up in my thing so you can see anything. Okay. So, you're just gonna have to deal with it. It's slightly crooked. So, I just got back from the warehouse. I was buying the jersey and I needed some hair dye for one of the videos I'm gonna do later. They didn't have any silver hair dye, so I got this for, I don't know where it is, silver, like, washing shampoo to see if that'll, do anything. So, they had a deal, and they said 2 for $20. So I also got some hair dye, because it was over the the live color series. Turns out when I got to checkout, it came to $33, and I was like, nope, it's under this deal. And then, so the lady checked it out and she was like, oh, so the hair dyes are under a 2 for $10 and the shampoos are under a 2 for $20. So I was like, okay, cool, I'll go swap it. I needed the shampoo because they didn't have silver dye. I got blue dye because I was like, I can use that. But, I don't need it. So I'm standing there and I'm like, you know what, let me get the shampoo. Like, this whole fit, I was just like, I'll just get the blue shampoo. I've got blue wigs that, need some color revitalization or whatever. I'll just get the blue shampoo. I don't want the blue shampoo, but I'll get the blue shampoo because I need the silver shampoo. I get back to checkout and she's like having to check out all these other people. So I'm standing there, I'm waiting. I still have my headache. And then out of all of it, she puts it through and it comes to $34. So I ended up paying more and getting stuff that I didn't want. And I had to wait there for so long. Like, I finished work an hour ago. And I still need to edit yesterday's vlog and do this before my sister gets home so I can surprise her with this jersey. And it's just been such a bad day. It's actually not that bad. I just have a headache, so everything's like dramatized like 10 times more. But still, I can't believe I went through all of that to pay $1 more. It's just not worth it, is it? It's not worth it. On a very small plus side, I just got another package, so it's in a box. I don't know what it is, but we shall soon find out. Oh. It's the scorpions. Oh. It's so nicely gift wrapped. I don't really want to open it, but I'm going to. Oh, what the hell? They're that big. I paid $14 for that. They're tiny. And there's 2. There are 2 scorpions in this box. I'm fuming! Ugh. And then these are the apparent golf ball finders. So apparently everything white is supposed to like show up, but literally nothing white is showing up in my room. I guess my drawers are kind of showing up, but like, yeah. They look kind of dumb, not gonna lie. But anyway, we'll put that back in its box for Christmas. for the old pal. I'm literally just gonna chuck this under the Christmas tree now. May as well. First present under the tree. Come on. So. Okay, if you're gonna cover your logo, then cover your logo.
Hold on, we'll do this again.
No, just come here. Just wait. Just. Okay, this was meant to be a surprise, but like it's gonna take a while because I'm still editing now. So, remember how we talked about doing a Christmas jersey?
Yeah.
I bought a jersey today.
Yay!
Okay, so I need you to pick a logo.
Okay.
So while I'm editing this, you go pick whatever painting you want, and I'll do that today because that's gonna be today's video.
Like a Christmas painting.
Yes. Well, whatever you want on the jersey, because I know you wanted a Christmas jersey, but yeah, it was meant to be a surprise, but I thought I would have this done by now.
Okay.
And I can't sit here and be like, don't come over here while I'm painting.
Okay.
So pick a logo.
Sounds good.
Cool. Bye. Okay, excuse the mess on the dining room table. This is kind of like our craft table at the moment. But I put a block of wood inside this. You can use cardboard or anything, but wood was the only thing I had like readily available. Just so it doesn't leak through onto the other side of the jersey. Now I'm just going to go like straight beast mode and we're going to try and get this done today. Okay, we're done with the white base layer, so we just have to wait for this to dry, and then we can move on to the colours. But for you, that's just going to be now. It's been hours later. It is currently 10:14. But I think I'm done. So, now we have a reveal. Ah! Is you ready? 3, 2, 1. Open?
That is so cool. Thank you. That's awesome. Oh.
Can you see it? It's not going to focus, but yeah. You can't see the details, but it's this. That's there.
That is so cool. Can I touch it?
Parts of it are still wet, so.
What part?
Well, I don't know. I just know parts of it are still wet.
I put
touch it.
Oh shit.
What? I said parts of it are still wet.
That's so cool.
Bruno, you're like
was lying there.
you were right in the way.
It's so cute.
She likes it. What?
Oh, is it like and subscribe?
No. While we're still here, what's the date? Is today day
7th. 8.
No, is it?
It was Vinny's birthday.
It's day 8.
8th, Mum, because it was Vinny's birthday yesterday.
Damn, we flying. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, same again. Like, subscribe, comment down below, watch yesterday's vlog. It's very late, I'm very tired, and I still need to edit this because I want to avoid posting late like I did today. So, peace.